and welcome back to Shreyas Digital World. So today in this video, let us see how to convert a JPG image to PDF format. So first of all, you need to open a browser. Now I recommend that you open a high quality browser such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, which I'm using, or Mozilla Firefox. Once you open the browser, let's type the URL. So in the URL section, what you have to do is type the address of the website which you have to visit to convert your JPG image to a PDF file format. So you just need to type jpg to pdf.com. So once you type the URL in the URL section, that is jpg to pdf.com, you will get such a website with the header JPG to PDF. Now, towards the right side of the header, you will get a drop-down list with various languages to select the language of the entire page. I've selected English because I'm comfortable with English. And once you scroll down, you will see various options: PDF to doc, PDF to docx, docx to PDF, PDF to text, PDF to JPG. But I want to convert my JPG image to PDF. So I selected the option JPG to PDF. Now I click on upload files, and here you get an option, that is your prompt box opens over here. So you can open any of the image that you want to convert into PDF from here. So you select the one which you want to upload. For me, it is flower, and then I click on open. Now the image, as you can see, is being uploaded over here. Once it has been uploaded, you need to click on this button right here, which is download. Once I click, this image opens as a PDF in my default PDF opener. For me, it is Microsoft Edge browser. So as you can see here, the image has been converted into PDF and now it has opened for me. Now over here, you can see an option save as. So you click on that and it takes you to this screen, the save as screen. You select the file path or the file location where you want to save it and save it as a PDF. So I'm going to save it as flower2 and I'm going to click on save. Now the PDF file has been successfully converted from JPG to PDF and I have saved it in my desktop. Now you can upload it and send it to anybody.